Well, that was Malusi, but you guys, that was Malusi Kikaba of the ANC NEC member. He's come here to support former President Zuma. He's just walked inside court. Now, he's saying that they are essentially here in solidarity, in support with the former President Jacob Zuma. Is amongst a number of ANC leaders who are expected to arrive here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. We did ask him that did he receive those bags of cash from the Guptas, and he says that essentially that's a question for the State Capture Commission of Inquiry, and he will be answering it in that particular commission when his time arrives to go back there. And we've seen also Super Zuma, the former provincial secretary of the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal. I'm just seeing one of the leaders in the ANC in Limpopo who's going to introduce himself and his essence of why he's here. He's from the Vembe region, if I'm not mistaken. He'll introduce himself, the importance of him coming all the way from Limpopo to support former President Zuma.
Yes, of course, we are coming from Limpopo to support corporate President Zuma. We have seen many people who are trying to put President Zuma in jail, and we will never allow them to do what they are trying to do. President Zuma is the one who make us to be. Today we can insult him through WhatsApp or Facebook or social media. People forgot that President Zuma is the one who fought for those things. So we'll always come here and support President Zuma, so that these people who are used by these white people or white monopoly capital, we will never allow them to be do what they are doing now.
Thank you very much. Those are one of the supporters. He hails from the Vembe region in Limpopo. He's here to support former President Jacob Zuma. There are many other ANC leaders who will be arriving shortly as we walk out. I've seen those whom will be alongside ANC NEC member Thomas Bongo. They are also here in court. You can also see that there's a heavy security presence with these visuals we are showing you now. There is 2 police inyalas, one right at the back. You've got 3 police vans here in front. Then you've got this inyala here in front to make sure that security is tight here in court when the former president comes out of court to address his supporters across the road. Me and my colleague Tulo Munare will just take a quick walk across the road. Hopefully we won't miss any important individuals from the African National Congress who've made their way here in court. Just to show you the setup here in court, Mr. Munare is just going to show you these particular visuals of the entrance point here in the market square in Pietermaritzburg, where those ANC leaders will be arriving. As you can see, Bishop Dube, who's one of the supporters of former President Zuma, who's organizing the police inyala, is making its way inside this particular venue to make sure that there is a proper public order policing. As you can see, this police inyala making its way inside the Pietermaritzburg Market Square, where about 700 to 1,000 ANC supporters are expected to come and support former President Jacob Zuma as his fraud and corruption case kicks off today. But from this side, at this point in time, as we wait for more arrivals, let's just take the headlines.